What's up guys, it's me your Geek. So here the top 5 Lenovo K8 Note case. The number 5 case is from Amzer, a simple beautiful looking case, you can't go wrong. And number 4 case is from Mama Mount. I mean, look at it. It's a simple beautiful for less than 8 bucks, a flip leather case where you can store your credit card, maybe your octopus card also. And number 3 case is from Mustander, a simple beautiful looking case which is quite grippy. And number 2 is a bug robotic style case. The good thing about this case is the stand. The stand is like rotatable. You can put in a landscape or in a portrait. And number 1, the best case is from Kai Thailand, a simple beautiful Lenovo K8 case. I mean, look at the beauty of it. I mean, simple. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe.